In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically set contacts as non-marketing using workflows in Hubspot. This is a helpful setup when you want Hubspot to manage marketing contact status for you based on a clear rule. It can keep your database organized and help ensure the right people are marked as non-marketing automatically instead of updating contacts one by one. Start by going to the top navigation and clicking Automations. From there, select Workflows. This is where you build automated processes that run when a contact meets certain conditions. Next, click Create Workflow. You will be creating a workflow that enrolls contacts based on a trigger you choose, then applies an action to update their marketing status. Now click Set Up Triggers. This is the most important part because the trigger decides which contacts get enrolled. Select your filter based on your needs. Take your time here and choose conditions that accurately match the contacts you want to set as non-marketing. The more precise your filter is, the fewer mistakes you will have later. Once your trigger is set, you are ready to add the action that changes the contact status. Click the plus icon to add an action. In the action categories, find Marketing, then select Set Marketing Contact Status. This action updates the marketing status for any contact enrolled in the workflow, using the option you choose next. In the drop-down, select Non-Marketing Contact. This tells Hubspot that when a contact meets your trigger conditions, they will be automatically updated as non-marketing. This is useful for contacts you need to keep in the CRM, but do not intend to market to through emails or other marketing tools. After selecting non-marketing contact, click Save. Saving locks in the action so it can run correctly when the workflow is active. Finally, go to the top right and click Review and Publish. On the review screen, double-check your trigger conditions and confirm the action is set to non-marketing. When everything looks correct, publish the workflow so it starts working automatically. And that covers everything you need to know.